गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमारा टॉपिक होगा इमेज फॉर्मेशन बाय कॉनकेव मिरर। इससे पहले मैंने कुछ लॉज और कुछ रूल्स बताए थे आपको रे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करने के लिए। एक बार मैं फिर से उनको रिकैप्चुलेट कर देता हूँ। द फर्स्ट रूल दैट इज इफ अ रे पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस after reflection it pass through its principal focus. That is the first rule. Okay, and in case of convex mirror it appears to pass or meet at a focus. Then the second rule, that is if a ray passes through principal focus then it becomes parallel to principal axis after reflection. Okay, this is the second rule. Now the third rule, that is if a ray passes from center of curvature then it will, after reflection it will go with the same path. Okay, not deviate it. Yeah, the last rule, this fourth rule, if a ray of light makes an angle I, suppose it makes 30-degree angle, then the reflection angle will be same. Means angle of I and angle of R, the both should be equal. This is the fourth rule. Okay, आपको यदि रूल्स का पता होगा तो आप इजिली रे डायग्राम्स के थ्रू इमेज फॉर्मेशन कर सकते हो. Okay, now image formation by concave mirror. फर्स्ट देखिए आप. ओके, जो अभी यहाँ पे ये रे डायग्राम है, ए पार्ट, दिस इज फॉर इन्फिनिटी ऑब्जेक्ट. यू कैन सी द ऑब्जेक्ट एट इन्फिनिटी. ओके, तो बाय यूजिंग दीज 4 rules, okay, you can use any of the ray you can use. You can make the diagram. I tell you. Wait, first I just show you the table of concave mirror. Okay, this is the table. Now I explain this table. Okay, first you see the position of an object at infinity. You can see the position of an object at infinity. Now we have to find the nature of image. So I draw a diagram. Suppose this is a pole of the concave mirror, because we are talking about the concave mirror. Suppose this is principal focus, this is center of curvature, and like this is the object AB. Okay, it is placed at infinity. For first part I'm telling. Okay, suppose the ray, like, it goes parallel. Okay, and after reflection, that is the first rule. After reflection the rays meet at a principal focus. So the position of the image at the focus, you can see where the rays meet after reflection, that denotes the position of object, means image, position of image. So position of image, it is formed on the principal focus, highly diminished point size. You can see the point size image we are getting. Real, if it is formed in front of the mirror, then it will be a real, and you can obtain on screen also. If you use paper, then you will get the image on the paper. You will get a point size image on the paper. So it is real and inverted. Real image always be inverted. Okay, don't be confused here. If it is a point, then how can we identify whether it is inverted or erect? Inverted means ulta image and erect means seedha image. So you always remember in your mind that real image always be inverted image. Okay, this is the first point. Okay, now one thing I just clear here. For infinity object, if an object placed at infinity, always you take a parallel lines so that it covers a long distance. Okay, now beyond C. Now I'm just beyond C. Suppose this is principal focus, this is center of curvature. You put the object beyond C, means आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को यहाँ रखा. ओके, पहले वो इन्फिनिटी पे था, बहुत दूर था. सपोज ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन ये है. Now you have four rules. You can apply any of the rules and you will find the image. Okay, suppose first ray just pass like this principal focus, then it becomes parallel. This is the rule. Okay, now second is, suppose if it is parallel, then it passes through the principal focus. You can see the image, like here it is formed. It is formed between F and C. You can see it is formed between F and C, diminished image, real and inverted image. Okay, and beyond C I will show the diagrams. Okay, like this, beyond C, at C, between C and F, I will just explain these also. Wait, with the help of diagrams or ray diagrams I will show you. Okay, this is the first. At infinity you can see these are the parallel lines, and the first rule, that is, if the line is parallel, then after reflection they passes through the principal focus. So the position of the image at principal focus, nature real and inverted, point size highly diminished image. Okay, now for the second case, you see here the object is placed beyond C, means C se pare. Now the first plane, that is parallel, after reflection we know it passes through the principal focus. Okay, this is the rule. And if it is passes through center of curvature, then it comes back. So you see this is the point, and on this point the image is formed. It is small in size and inverted image and real image. Okay, inverted image always real. If you take paper, then you will get the image, inverted image on the paper also. Okay, but you can also use the other rules like this. For this I just explain again now with other rules. Suppose this is F, this is C. Now what rules I follow here? This rule, the last fourth rule, if angle of incidence, then same angle it just reflect, and suppose there is the object. And second one is, if it is passed from the principal focus, after reflection it become parallel like this, then it is formed between F and C. Okay, and if you use scale and pencil, then definitely you will get the right diagram. Okay, don't. So I want to explain that no need to follow the this rule only. You can also follow any of the rules. Okay, you can get your diagram. Now this is the third. The object is placed at C. You see the object is placed at C. This is the first line parallel. It passes through the principal focus. The second passes from focus. The rule is, after reflection it becomes parallel. Okay, so you will get the image on C. Same size image is formed on C. Inverted image is formed, and it will be real image. Now this is the fourth ray diagram, D part. This is the object. It is placed between F and C. This is F and this is C. The first ray that passes parallel, you know, parallel rays, it passes from principal focus. Okay, and the second is it passes through C, then it will go straight. So here it is means the object, the image formation is formed beyond C, inverted image, and slightly larger than the object. Okay, now this is the E part. E is very important. E and F, these both ray diagrams are important for concave mirror. You see object is placed at F, and after this is the parallel line, this passes from principal focus, and one ray it passes through the C. So the lines after reflection, the rays after reflection, they are parallel, so they meet at infinity, so the image is very large. Okay, and for this point, for part E, we are using concave mirror in headlight of vehicles, in like bike, etc. In headlights we are using concave mirror. Why? The reason is because if we place the object at f, then we will get parallel rays. So the light goes parallel, it means it covers a long distance. So we are using the concave mirror in the headlight of vehicles. Okay, headlight, I'm not talking about the side rear mirror, side mirrors. I'm talking about the headlight mirror. Now this is the last part, f part. Object is placed between p and f. So you see here, the first ray it incident like that, so angle of reflection is also same. Okay, and second is passes C. So this side they cannot meet, so you just extend these lines, so they meet beyond, or they meet behind the concave mirror. So you see, this is the different case, because in this case the image is erect image is formed. Okay, when the object is placed between p and f, erect image is formed. And second one is, it is formed behind the mirror. I told you, if it is formed front of the mirror, then it will be a real and inverted. If it is formed behind the mirror, then it will be erect and virtual, because you cannot get this image on the paper. Okay, so these are the images. We discuss the ray diagrams for the image formation by कॉनकेव मिरर. ओके, आपको कोई डाउट है, कोई समस्या है इसमें, तो प्लीज़ मुझे शेयर कीजिएगा, मैं आपकी बिल्कुल हेल्प करूँगा. ओके, और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो हमारा होगा वो आपका एक्टिविटी 10.4 यूजेज ऑफ कॉनकेव मिरर्स, और उसके बाद कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का भी हम कोशिश करेंगे कंप्लीट करने का. ओके, थैंक यू.